Hey, and welcome to Aging Backwards with Daphne, my ABWD fam. And I'm here to tell you that you can unlock the secret to aging backwards with 5 simple essential steps. So, are you ready to learn the secret? Let's get to it, shall we? Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut or that aging means slowing down? Well, I'm here to tell you that that's a myth. Aging backwards is all about adopting a mindset that helps you thrive as you age. And as I show you a picture of a screen of me in my 20s, and this is me in my 50s. Age really is nothing but a number. So I'm going to share with you the 5 essential steps to age backwards. So let's get to it, shall we? But before I start, I just want to let you know, first of all, thank you so much for joining me. Please share, like, comment, and most of all, subscribe, because we are going to have so much fun in this space. And this is a safe space for those of you who want to learn all the secrets to age backwards. This channel is dedicated to help you rediscover your vibrancy, resilience, and joy, no matter where you are in life. When I tell you this hands down is probably one of the worst years of my life, that'll be a story for another day. But the economy is just one facet of it, and I'm sure all of us have stories to tell. But with that said, resiliency is something that I'm sure is a common thread with all of us. And I want to hear your stories, because having that unity is one of the secrets to aging backwards. So with that said, step 1, embrace a growth mindset. It's really important to always stay curious, continuous learning, and challenging yourself. One of the ways I challenge myself is I really got into learning AI. I got thrown into teaching it. I didn't anticipate that. That's a story for another day. But I really got into learning it and learning how it can enhance and make my life a lot more productive. So with that said, what do you like to get into? What is your passion? What is something that you love to do for fun that you wouldn't get paid for? I'm a recruiter, and that's a question that I always ask my candidates. What is your passion project? What do you like to do when you get home from work that you wouldn't get paid for? Think about it. Think about it. Let me know in the comments. What is your passion project? It could be cooking. It could be gardening. It could be reading a book. It could be binging something on TV that you're really into. Are you into Game of Thrones? Are you into the Power universe? I'm a huge Power fan. I'm a huge Golden Girls fan. Living single. I could go on and on. I mean, there's something, music. Don't get me started on anything 90s throwback, but I digress. Let's get into number 2. Prioritizing self-care. This is a really difficult one to prioritize, for lack of a better word, but it's a difficult one for someone who takes care of everybody else but doesn't take care of ourselves. And if this is hitting you really hard, listen up. You're not selfish to take care of yourself. What do they tell you after you've boarded the plane and they're giving you the safety instructions on your flight? Put your oxygen mask on first before you try to render aid to others. Why? Because if you don't help yourself first, you can't help others. And that's how you prioritize self-care. You have to help yourself first, and there's nothing selfish about that. But when you're being mama bear or papa bear to everybody else, you can't pour from an empty cup. Replenish yourself, nourish yourself first before you're trying to pour nourishment into others, okay? So the third one, this one is, I'm still learning this one. Cultivate positive relationships. When you're used to being around toxicity and toxic people, when you're the host and all you know are parasites, it's hard. I know, y'all, it's hard. It's really hard to know what a positive relationship looks like, whether that's family, whether that's friends, whether that's in the workplace. You don't know it because you're such a kind-hearted person and you are so comfortable with giving. You don't recognize toxicity because you attract toxic people. Kind people attract all kind. But the way you stop that is by setting boundaries and learning what is toxic. Surround yourself with people like yourself, people who uplift you, people who are positive. And as you come to this channel and as we grow together, you'll learn what positivity means. You'll learn what uplifting means. A compliment is a compliment. It's not underhanded. It's not backbite. It's uplifting. Surround yourself with positive people, positive energy. You'll feel it. Because as you grow and lean into that positive energy, you'll recognize negative energy so fast that you'll want to run away from it. You'll feel it. Sometimes you can smell it. It's just, it has an aura. You don't want anything to do with it. Because when you're such a light in the world and you're such a positive force, negative energy can't stand it, and the mere sight of you irritates it. You'll see. You'll see. As you keep coming through, ABWD fam, keep coming through. You'll see it. You'll shine. You literally shine. That's why I say you're aging backwards. You can't put makeup on it. It's not a physical thing. It's an aura. It's your energy. You just radiate. That's why you age backwards. You just radiate it. You glow. That will irritate people who just exude negative energy. It's nothing you did, and it actually has nothing to do with you. That's another conversation for another day. But it does go into step 4. Stay authentic. Be you. Shine. Be the sunlight. They can either do 2 things. Wear the sunscreen, bask in your sunlight, or get burnt. It has nothing to do with you. You're the sunlight. Shine. Keep shining. Keep being you. Don't allow anyone to dim your light. You keep shining. I spent years dimming my light to make others feel comfortable. No, ma'am. No, sir. I almost drank myself into a grave because of it. No. You stay authentic. You be you. Wear the blue hair, the green hair, the blonde hair. However you wear a mohawk, shave it off. Wear it down to your butt. However you want to wear your hair, your glasses, your dress, your pants. However you tats all over your body. Whatever you want to do that feels like you, you do it. You be uniquely you. You be the original. There's no need for a copy. We already have so many people who look homogenous. They all look alike. Be uniquely you. Number 4. That was number 4. And then finally, keep a sense of adventure. Do something that's just so, whether that's travel, whether that's rock climbing, whether that's just trying a new restaurant that you've never tried before. Fun fact, I'm a certified barbecue judge. Yes, I judge barbecue competitions. Doing one this weekend. Yes, fun fact. Literally, I was watching a show on TV and I was like, I want to do that. Googled it, found a class, got certified in it. I've been a barbecue judge for 2 years now. Love it. Adventure. Find something that you're adventurous about and just go for it. You have one life. Live it. Live it. Well, Daph, I can't do that. I have kids. I have this. I have that. Make time for it. Bring your kids along. Give them an adventure. Kids love adventure. Don't let them hide in their smartphones or the video games. Let them have an adventure. So let's recap. Number 1, embrace a growth mindset. Stay learning. Challenge yourself. If you don't know how to cook, learn how to cook. If you don't know how to garden, I don't know how to garden, so that's on my list. I need to learn how to garden, which is sad because my dad was a horticulturist, so shame on me. Number 2, prioritize self-care. I'm still working on this. It does not make you selfish. It makes you selfless because you're preparing yourself to be able to care for others. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You can't take care of others if you're not taking care of yourself. Number 3, really important, you have to cultivate those positive relationships. If you're surrounding yourself with negative people and that negative energy, guess what? There's only going to be one outcome. They're going to pull you right down with them. Negative people do not wish you well. And sometimes it's hard to see that because they disguise themselves so well. It's up to you to be able to tell the difference. But keep coming through, because I'll show you. I'll show you for sure what they look like. Trust. Number 4, stay authentic. To thine own self, be true. Shakespeare. Yeah, I didn't claim that. That's him. Stay true to yourself. Be you. Piercing, tattoos, hair color, whatever it is that you like, claim as your own, do it. Don't let anyone tell you that, oh, well, that's too whatever. It's you. Own it. Say it with your chest. Do it. And the last one, keep a sense of adventure. Be different. Be quirky. It's you. Do it. That's how you age backwards. That's how you glow. Be someone like you. You don't have to travel with the masses. I appreciate you joining me today, Aging Backwards with Daphne, my ABWD fam. Thank you. Thank you for your support. I know we're starting from scratch, from brand new algorithm. Thanks, YouTube. But it's okay because I want to build a community, and there's a method to the madness because of this. Because in order for us to get to where we need to go, we have to start with where we need to be. And this is here. This is a journey. And aging backwards is a mindset. It has absolutely nothing to do with the physical. It all starts. So thank you so much for joining me. I will definitely see you soon. And until then, please like, comment, share. Please tell a friend, because we went from 50,000. Now I think we're down to, we're in single digits. So we definitely need to pick up the momentum, but it's okay. Again, my goal is to build a community, and that is the most important thing, to build a community and to build a safe space for all of us to share our stories and what we've been through so we can thrive together. So until then, be kind to yourself. I'll see you soon.